Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the failed to connect to server error in Hytale.
Fix 1. Check your internet connection. Step 1. Make sure your PC console is connected to the internet. Step 2. Restart your router or modem. Step 3. Try connecting to other websites, games to confirm your internet works. Fix 2. Restart Hytale and launcher. Step 1. Close Hytale completely. Step 2. Close the Hytale launcher from Task Manager, Windows, or force quit Mac. Step 3. Reopen the launcher and try connecting again. Fix 3. Disable firewall or antivirus temporarily. Step 1. Open your firewall or antivirus settings. Step 2. Temporarily disable it. Step 3. Launch Hytale and check if it connects. Step 4. Enable your firewall antivirus afterward. Fix 4. Check server status. Step 1. Go to Hytale's official server status page or Twitter. Step 2. Confirm the servers are online. Step 3. If servers are down, wait until they're back online.